You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these phrases once and for all correctly from Latin. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciation of Latin expressions, stay tuned. More from history. Latin pronunciation: Memento Audere Semper. Latin motto: it means remember always. To dare. Memento meaning remember, audere, to dare, semper, always. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.